Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So it is a weekend vlog. It's Memorial Weekend, and I am in Brooklyn, as you can see behind me. So I am going to a function with, it's basically a pop-up to pick up some goodies, maybe some more earrings, I don't know. And so I'm going with my mother, so we will have her in the camera for a little bit. Let's hope she cooperates. All right, guys. Hey guys, so this weekend I am pretty much in a romance mood. Yesterday was fun day, hanging out with my friends, my mom, going to this pop-up event. That was cool. I got a lot of good stuff, which I will do and haul on what I got, which pretty much was body stuff and a candle. Pretty much what I got. But anyway, today is bookstore and street festival that they have every year at BAM. Guys, I'm in Brooklyn for the weekend. So what I'm reading, I'm in the mood for romance. I've been reading Christina C. Jones. She has a novella series, The Blackwood, and I read that because of Hostile Takeover. This is like a spin-off for it. So the novellas are short. So I'm on the second one. The first one was called Curiosity, and this one I'm reading is Caution. I'm enjoying it. So I plan on finishing it today. I also plan on getting into this, which should have read already, but I did not. But we're gonna get back to this, and it's a short story, so I'm planning on finishing this tonight. I also have it on my Kindle, so I might even read it while I'm out, while I'm gonna go to brunch now, get some breakfast. So I'm gonna be cautious because it's sucking me in, and then get to this again. It's on my Kindle, so if I'm out and about, I could still read it because I don't think I'm taking the book with me. Then I picked up the new book. This is A Gamble at Sunset. This is Vanessa Riley's newest release, just came out a few days ago. It is a historical fiction, but it's also romance. So again, I'm in the mood for romance. So I'm hoping that I will, this will be the last book I read for the month. So commitment is once I have this, which is the May pick, subscriber pick from the jar, which is short, guys. It's like, I think 11 pages, so it is going to get read. I just wanted to read the entire thing, which is not bad, guys. It's short, I can do it. And then this one, of course, but for now I'm just gonna take my tablet, and it has all the books that I want to read download. So one of the reasons why I wanted to do the Rip Bodice, because I'm working on my summer romance list. I have a few physical books that I bought already, and I have some on my Kindle. So I'm just browsing in there. Never been in there, and I also want to browse in there to kind of see what else book I want to add to my summer reading list for romance. I've done this 2 years now. This will be my third year I'm doing this, and I enjoy making that list. I typically have 10 to 11 books on the list, and so far the last 2 years I've done it, I've read at least I've read off the list maybe 9 of each time I do the list. but I ended up reading other books that wasn't on the list. So that's, which is always happening. But I kind of want to have this list, stick to the list, and read that throughout the summer. So it's just a book that I love, and also because the book comes out soon as well. You know, we're talking June, end of June, July. I don't even know. I didn't look at the date, but typically those books start off heavier, and I love that I have mix of romance in between some of the heavy books that oftentimes picks up. But there's other books that I have too that I want to read. We also have Caribbean month in June coming up, and I have a list of books for that as well that I've been collecting. So there's some hauls coming, there's some announcement coming. I'm excited, and again, this is my time of the year and I'm loving every bit of it. So all right, so I'm going to take you guys with me as I do all of this, and I'll see you in a minute. Bye. The bookstore is actually pretty cool. It's beautiful in there. I wish I could have recorded more in there, but it was packed. There was a lot of people in there. So I just got like a few footage which you've seen, and the book prices wasn't bad. A lot of the books that I got were like $5.99. They weren't expensive. So they're, I would say their average price, books price for an independent store, it's not bad. So I'm walking a lot today because the breakfast was so good. I even had dessert. So I need to walk this off, and I'm heading to BAM. And my mom's supposed to meet me there. My friend was supposed to come. But she's not feeling up to it. She might still come, but it's another street thing, and that's gonna be for right now. Beautiful day, like beautiful day, and I'm just walking around in Brooklyn. So yeah, so I am heading into the crowd. And I'm hoping to get some beads, but I saw one vendor already, and let me tell you, the price was not speaking to me. So this street festival is not getting my money because it's already looking overpriced. I think it's been a couple of years since I've been down here, maybe 2 or 3, I think. I don't remember the prices looking like this, but I'm here, guys. I'm here. Here we go.
That blue looks really nice. If you want wearability.
Yeah, I see the price.
More innocent girls want to say that doesn't why you say
Amazing. Is it heavy? Gorgeous. Very creative.
They look comfortable too.
I know.
Girl, I picked them up. It felt like you and me.
What's the price on those?
45. Size 9.
Oh, that looks, yeah. You feel it?
But my size too.
Yeah, these look comfy. And different.
Yeah.
How much you said?
42 to 45.
Wow. Good morning. So it is Memorial Day and I am in Joann's on my way back home. And I'm picking up some notion. Let's see if patterns on sale and some fabric. Yeah. Hey guys, let me tell you. Vlogging this weekend was interesting because I have not vlogged like outside events, none of that in a while. Even home, you notice that I haven't been vlogging that much. It's mostly sit down, talk about the book. That's it. So this weekend, I forgot a couple of times to pick up the camera, including when I went to Joann's. So this morning, went to Joann's because one, I needed some notion, basically thread, zipper, and then I wanted to see what they have as far as pattern. They did have Simplicity on sale for $2.99. Normally it's $1.99, but you know, $1 extra is still better than the full price. And they had fabric on, most of them were 60% off on the clearance, and then 30% off. I didn't see anything on the clearance I liked. And then on the other one, 60 and I think 50%. So I picked that up. So this video, I'm gonna conclude it by just giving you the trinkets of what I got, like pretty much the non-bookish stuff. And then I'm just gonna have another video after this where it's just gonna be just books that I picked up this weekend as well as a few days prior. And yeah, so I didn't want the video to be super long. So let's just get into this real quick. All right. We're just going to start with what I ended with his Joann. That's the bag, guys. That's the bag. So, I got some interfacing for stretch knit. The interface that I had was not for stretch knit. And remember when I made that gray dress and it was just so awful around the collar? That's because the interfacing was just not good. So, they had a whole roll of this and it was $1.99 a yard. So I told them give me the whole thing. Then let's talk about the fabric, guys. The fabric. Oh, the interface. I also got it in black. So yeah, so it's a black. You guys are gonna love what I got for fabric. So let's start with the linen. And I got this because I want to make a dress with this. It's going to be like a basic dress, but something about the pattern that I saw. And I think I have, I'm not even sure to be honest with you. Because then I think about, I want to do a pants in this as well. So I'm not sure. But I just know I wasn't going to leave with this color. I just love this color. Then we have this, guys. Let's hope on the camera it shows up. But look at the work on this embroidery work on this. I don't think the camera is going to give it justice. I don't. Yep. Because now it just got dark. Yeah. I don't know why I did that. But just know it is going to be a fabulous top. Basic, but still a kind of top that I can wear with anything for the summer. That's why I got this. But just the artwork on it, it's just flower all over. Yeah. Then we got this. And this one is another artwork on here. Oh. And I'm going to be cutting this off the bottom, so it will just be the stitching of the pattern on there. And it's one where this is already done for me. So I got a little bit more than I needed. I measured myself, but of course it's stretched, so I didn't need all of this. So I am going to see how much I can get out of this fabric. But it's long, it's going to be long. I think I want to split on the side of it, and this is just so good. I couldn't leave this one, and this one was also on sale. So that is all I got for fabric, because guys, I don't really need a bunch of fabric, but I know I didn't have no summer really knit fabric, so that's why I got that. Let's talk about pattern. If you only see what my loft area, my pattern look like, I really didn't need no more pattern, but I got some repeats. So the dress I'm wearing, it's a me make. I've made this in this one. I've made it in a long sleeve white print, and an African print one that was short sleeve, but it was just different. So I made it so much that, guys, I don't know where I put some of the parts. So I decided to get another one, and that is the Simplicity 9113. So this one is a rebuy for me, and this is, I would say, comfortable saying there's about 3 patterns that I've had that I've made multiple dresses from. And you see in the one yesterday with that pink, I don't even know what you call that print. It's giving me very 70s print. That one I've made twice. Love that pattern. I've also made the one that I had when I went to the winery. I've made that one 3 times, and this is number 1 for my summer. This is a button-down dress that you can't go wrong with. Now, what I love about this is the button-down dress they show in here is long sleeve, but I use the sleeve from this one to do the one that I'm currently wearing. And I have not made the top, none of the top. So that's another thing too. I want to try the top and the pants and make it the set. But she has on linen, and I have linen. I have a white linen fabric that I did purchase. I think I have 3 yards of it. So I think I'm going to probably make the pants out of it. And then I do have, I think, another kind of linen fabric as well. Make the top, but not this top. I want to make the shorter top. But this I love it, that I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get another one. I also got this one, which is I've made, and this is the dress that I'm modifying for my friend's birthday. So I decided to pick up another one so I can really hack this, because I don't want to hack the other one because that's mine. So I decided to get this again. It was $2.99. So I'd rather just get a brand new one and hack it for her dress that I'm hoping to finish by next weekend. Next weekend, I think I'm gonna be working on her dress so she can come over, fit it, and modify. It's going to be modified because the arms is going to be different. The arms going to be so the arm's going to be from this dress. So I'm thinking this one or this one, and then the bottom is also going to be different. I'm trying to be creative with this dress because I love it. All right, let's get through this. So I got this one because I love the black dress that she's wearing, and I love that it has sleeve option, because if I make this, I would do a sleeve option. And I like that when I was looking at the bust area, it is big bust friendly, and is a way for me to modify this to make sure it works for me. Same thing for this. I really was looking at this and scrutinizing it to the T to see for my boob, and I think this is gonna work, and I'm going to definitely work on this one soon. And then let's do all the, this is the old Mimi pattern, and I just love the shorts and jacket set on this. But I like that it has long versions, so I think this is also something I want to try and work on, even though I said I was going to take a break from some jackets. But I get this jacket because this jacket is not lined, and y'all know me and the lining situation. I like this one because you get 3 options, so you can make a long dress, short dress, or you can also make pants, and I think you can also make this in a shorts. It's actually 4 options, so I think this is also perfect for this time of the year. And I want to make some romper. I got pants, but I really got it for the shorts, and that's for this one. And I have, I think it gave me, yep, denim option. I have denim fabrics that's left over that I want to use and make into a pants, so I think I'm going to make this one. I had one like this before, and I don't know where that pattern is. I don't know if I messed it up and I threw it out, but I wanted to make that one. So I'm going to make one for myself first, and then make one for my mother in the I think B version, because the length, I think A is too long. I think it's the B version for this one. This is another rebuy because I started making this skirt. And I don't know where I put, like, I literally was looking through the pattern because I still didn't finish the skirt, and I wanted to finish it, but I'm missing stuff. I also like this because the sizing on this, my mother can get one of these as well, because this one has pockets, and it shows you how to do side pockets with a side zipper. So this is a practice for me. I was so here for this. I need a vest. I want a vest, and I finally found a pattern that is plus size for these boobies to wear a vest. I'm going to do the pants, but I'm modifying these pants because I'm not a fan of the slit in the front. So this will be modified, but the vest is going to be, I think I'm going to make that soon for sure on this, because I think it's going to be, I'm not going to use a lot of fabric, but also it's going to challenge me because of how the pockets are. I've never done this kind of pocket before, so yeah. And then I bought a simple dress, like simple. I have so many stretch knit and some other kind of, a lot of different kind of fabric. I mean, you name it, you can do anything with this one. I think this one even have regular woven, and this is this one. And you have 4 different kind of dress you can make with this, but I really like I like that it's barely over the knee, but it looks so classic and so like it's such a ladylike dress. I just love it. And this one has just a notion, a belt and a notion. No, there's no notion because there's just an, oh well, it is. You have to make a button, and I've been on the road making buttons. All right, and then the other 2 weren't really on sales, like 30% off, and then I had like coupon, so I forgot how much it came down to. But again, another skirt that has the button in the front, but I love how it has pleat. And this is going to be challenging because of the pleat, but also I just love pleats. I've been seeing a lot of pleats. But now, even when I was in New York, there was a lot of dresses and skirts that I'm seeing people wearing with pleats. And I'm wanted to really like get into making like really nice, neat pleat. And I think this is a skirt that's going to give me a, plus it has pocket. It's going to give me some experience doing belt loop because I have not been making any belt loop. So I was excited for this. And then we got to get into the romper and the jumpsuit. I am a jumpsuit girl. I am a jumpsuit girl, and I cannot believe I've only made 2 jumpsuits the entire my sewing experience. I've only made two jumpsuits. And now I'm going to make this one. So I'm definitely making the pants version. I already have fabric that I want to use. I think it's red. It's going for the red, and she's wearing a red here. So I'm making D. Oh Lord, I'm making D. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the short version, which is C, or the long version. It depends on how it looks in the fabric. And if the fabric is gonna be too thick, it's probably gonna be too hot. But I want to wear this to this cookout barbecue situation in July. But I think I'm gonna make it first in some scraps that I have before I get like the actual material, because I think I definitely don't want to do black, but I kind of want to do red, but I'm hoping white. It's giving, I don't know, it's giving me white. I just feel like this in white would be fabulous on me, but then yellow would be good too. So I don't know, guys. I'm not sure what color, but I'm gonna do scraps first. I'm gonna make the shorts version so that I can see how it's gonna look, and then get the better material later and make the long version. So that's it for that. Everything else in here is pretty much invisible zipper and a whole lot of thread. My favorite thread to use. It's a German brand, and I love it. So let me grab the other stuff that fell. Woo. Alright guys, so one of the vendors had these I just love them. They're buttons, and I've been playing with them because they move, and you can do, you know, you can fix them however you want, and I've been loving that it's easily moved. So this bag was super, let me see if it's gonna show up close up. It is super cheap. I think I paid $20, and she had a bunch of them there. I don't know what kind of material she used for the bag. It has a lot of hole, and I like that. I wish I knew what kind it was or where I could get it, because I would definitely would make my own and maybe make it in some brighter color. But I don't know what material this is. I have no idea. But I like that it comes with the shorter handle, and it comes with the crossbody. And what I do know is I probably won't wear the crossbody. I like it, but I don't know if I would necessarily want to wear the crossbody. So I think I would just take the hook off, which I'll figure it out later. But you can take the hook off, and I would just wear it with just the this part right here. It's lined inside, and it has like a little pocket. So I saw this and I said, you can't, I mean, with the price, I was not going to complain. Plus, it's just different. It's just different. It's cheap, different, but creative. I just love the design of it. It was, hopefully it comes off good on the camera. I also got some earrings from a vendor that I've been getting earrings from for a long time. So I got this one that I'm wearing, and I got this one, which I've had a different, I have this before, but in a different color. So, and then I have these, and this one is, I love, this was the first one I picked, and it was super cheap. I think she had them, I was surprised at the price, guys, but it was 2 for $25. So, and I got 4, and I love this. You can see the gold detail right there. I just love that it's gold and in silver, so it's gonna be easy to wear with, you know, different things. And this is how it would look, like a moon-like shape on the ears. And then I got this one, which I absolutely love, and it's a color I don't wear a lot of when it comes to jewelry. So I saw this and I was like, yeah. I have so much metal and I struggle to really get designs like this using metal because you guys know I do make earrings as well. And I was looking to see what she had, but she has tools that are you know, she able to use to get shape and to I mean, it was I was watching her making them, and it's just sad I don't even know where you would get anything from the, you know, around here that I can use. But I just realized what she was using to really get the shape perfect, because I still got a lot of jewelry that I haven't I mean jewelry parts that I haven't made in jewelry in a while. And honestly, I don't need any more jewelry. I'm taking out being responsible. We're not doing that. So then I went to another vendor when I went on Saturday, and this is JL Marshall design, and that's the funky earrings, the earring that look like this weird different earrings, and she paints and she does a lot of crafting on her earrings. And this is what I got, and it's very unique. She only makes one of a kind, so you will not be able to get this. You could get something close but never the same exact earring. So she is a one of a kind because of course her stuff is art. And so if you buy from her, just know you'll be the only one with that earring. And there were so many people, because I wore her earrings on Saturday with my mother, and there were so many people that was just asking about the earring, but I knew those earrings were like done. Well, you wasn't gonna get that again. So, but it was nice that everybody was just like, and I was just pointing at her over there because I had bought those earrings last year. But this one I'm definitely gonna wear. I love that it's different colors because I can get away with wearing it with so many different things. And that is it for jewelry. And this is why I separate the books, guys, because I knew this video was going to be a little bit on the long side. Then I got candle. I got one candle. I'm a candle girl. I'm constantly burning candles. So I like when I get to like independent people, especially the ones that tend to use more cruelty free and not have toxic stuff in their candle. And so this one is Egyptian amber, and this is rose natural. I don't know, I thought I had a card. Oh, there she go. Yeah, bed of roses natural. That's the vendor, and let me tell you, it smells so good. It smells woo. The crocus bag thing coming off, but it smells so good. I cannot wait to burn this. I normally burn like downstairs, but ooh, there's all kind of thing flying off this crocus bag. Oh, but I think I'm going to burn this in my room, or the bathroom. Maybe the bathroom. It smells so good. It smells so good. But I have other candles, so I'm going to use up my others before I get to this. And I left the body cream downstairs because I started using it. But this is the Brooklyn Cat, which I've shown you guys before. And this is Anna Karina. It smells so good. And ooh, I was running out of this. I think I have just a little bit left. So I bought this, and I bought a new scent. My mom got a bunch of stuff as well. She has earrings, she has necklace, she has bags. I treated my mom because I didn't really get to do anything much for Mother's Day because I was here. I didn't get to see her. So I did do a lot, give her a lot of stuff. She also got like bigger jars of these in different other scent. And I should have took pictures of some of the stuff she got, especially her jewelry that I got for her. But that is it for this. Let me see. I am literally not even going to change. I'm literally just jumping into the next video with this outfit still on, and that will be book haul. Yeah, I also need to do a video on the next junk journal I'm making, because I only have a few pages left for the rest of the month. and I have not made a junk journal. So this week is gonna be me pumping out some junk journal and finishing the book. And I'm kind of hoping to at least start cutting out fabric. And I find that last week, reason why I was able to do 3 outfits in 1 week was because I was cutting out pattern and just put them to the side. And when I had time, I would just get up in the morning and start cutting the part I like the least. I do not like cutting. I do not like modifying when I have to cut and do all of that. I don't get joy over that. I get joy over sewing and seeing the finished stuff. So I find that my best bet is to cut and just have them sit in, and when I'm ready, just jump in and start sewing, and I'm more motivated that way. So anyway, we are going to clear this table up and jump into part 2. So see you guys in part 2 of the books that I got. And of course, let's talk about some Caribbean books in the mix of this, and romance, and my experience at the bookstores. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.